Hey guys, it's Prithvi in this video and I've started this new channel on cooking. So we'll be making some interesting stuff through across all these videos. So this first video is going to be tasty capsicum mayonnaise sandwich, which is going to be the tastiest thing you seriously ever gonna have. Now the prerequisites for this are you need to have a brown bread. Then white bread is also fine, but it won't give that taste. Now, then the other thing you need is little bit paneer, little bit you say like cheese, not the mayonnaise cheese, just the paneer. Then you need this green chutney. Then some mayonnaise. You can have this Fun Foods veg mayonnaise. Then you need to grate some capsicum, like around two capsicums to make a sandwich, two breads. So we are done with all the stuff, and now I'll be teaching you how to make this tastiest sandwich. Seriously. Now the thing is, you'll just take these two breads. You'll put some paneer in between like this, and you're gonna pour all the capsicum over it like this. So it's going to be the health wise, it's going to be the best choice one can ever have. It will be containing like one capsicum in one sandwich, so it's going to be the seriously it will be for those who are really want to improve on some stuff like dieting and all, and they want to give a glow to the skin, then this is the best thing they should consider. So we are done with the pouring capsicum thing. Now paneer we have put the paneer over here. Now the capsicum. Now the next thing is we need some mayo. Okay, so we'll be pouring some mayo over this mayonnaise, Fun Foods mayonnaise. Okay, so uh, so yeah, just this way. Yeah. Oh man, it's looking so tempting. Seriously. Now we're done with everything. We just need to spread this mayonnaise a bit to the sides of the bread. Now we'll do with this same thing with some more mayonnaise. Yeah, this way, this way. Yeah, you're done with everything. So now the secret recipe of this mayo sandwich is this chutney. So for this chutney, you can easily get this chutney whenever you get stuff from market, anything like anything, for example, any chicken and all, you get some chutney with that. So this is that chutney, green chutney. So you can make it at home as well. Now you need some onion. So you're gonna spread this little onion over here, and you'll spread this much of your this chutney. Now you can even add a piece of chicken, boiled chicken. That will actually work. That is going to be the best thing. If you are seriously considering a more tasty product, so this is how it works. This way. So this is my sandwich that is actually ready. Now my second bread, I'll just put the second bread over it. I'll just put the second bread over it and just squeeze this thing. Uh, yeah. So we are ready with our tasty capsicum mayo sandwich, which in my words is Capsi mayo sandwich. So just gonna do it this way, and yeah, this way. So I'll just have this tempting sandwich and I'll let you know how it actually. It's damn tasty. You seriously gonna love it, guys. Now, the thing is, this video will is for those guys who actually want to eat something good, and at the same time they're left with very less options. They don't have they don't want to avoid all those oily things, and at the same time they want to have some veggies in the inside the stomach. So it's a very good alternative for those. Secondly, it's a very easy to make thing, and it's definitely going to be the tastiest thing you'll ever have. Okay, so guys, please give thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel to see more of this special cooking stuff. Thanks so much, guys.